Hi everyone, and welcome to Tuesday's Tips with Laurie. I'm so excited to have you again here today with us. We've got some really fun things to show you in store, but first I wanted to talk a little bit about special cutting or special trimming instructions that we have. In our Kimberbell, Make Yourself at Home, there's both a sewing version and an embroidery version, and what I want to point out is in the embroidery version there is a cute little logo that you are going to see in our book, and it's right here. It's called Special Trimming Instructions, and you're going to see that wherever there's a special trimming needed. But you can use our orange pop rulers to do those special cutting instructions. So I'm going to demonstrate today one of those, and what better way than to show this cute tree. It's called Abby's tree, and Abby's here filming with us today.
Hi guys!
It is so fun to see these, like, after an employee, right? That we work here at Kimberbell, and this is just, we just feel like we're a part of this quilt. And we're hoping that you can feel a part of the quilt and be a part of Kimberbell with us. All right, so to start with, the instructions would say, for example, this is one of our bench pillow, well, bench pillows are right all over around us, and we're going to show those in a minute. So this is from our bench pillow collection, the Build Your Own Neighborhood. And so right here, it says to come, and this is the 6.5 by 8.5 inch orange pop ruler. And what I'm going to do is center the ruler, and it says to come 1/4 inch down from the tree. And the reason for that is when we're sewing this in the seam, we want the tree to look like it's coming right up out of the ground. All right, and so that's the first thing. And I just wanted to make this so that you could see, don't panic right here, because this is being cut to 4.5 by 8.5. So then I'm going to take my second ruler and nest it inside. This is the 4.5 by 6.5 inch ruler, and I nest it inside, and I make sure visually that this looks centered. Now I didn't move it up and down, I'm just moving it side to side so that I still have my 1/4 inch down here at the bottom. Another trick to this is each one of these little squares on the ruler is 1/4 inch. So I can see right through here that it still has my 1/4 inch. And that's what I want it to have. So the first thing I would suggest is get a rotating mat. Can you see the rotating mat makes it a whole lot simpler? And then I take the cutter, and I actually am only going to cut the 2 insides because I want it 4.5 by 4.5 wide. And you simply put that down, and then you can rotate your project on your mat and cut right down through there. Make sure you go from channel to channel. All right, then what I'm going to do, I'll turn it back around so you can see from right side up, is I take out the inside ruler, and now I want to cut this at 8.5. This is my 8.5 inch. So then I'm going to rotate, and I'm going to cut along the top. I'm going to rotate again and cut along the bottom. That gives me my 4.5 wide by 8.5 long. Now because I use those nesting, I just take this ruler and I line it right up where I had cut, and I just finish extending that cut line. And it's such a simple, wonderful way to cut these squares, because once you finish a square, it's so scary to cut into it thinking, what if I cut it wrong? What if I shift it a little bit? That's what I love about the orange pop rulers. And you can see it's going to stand right down on the ground, and when I put this inside of our bench pillow, which I'm going to show you, look how fun it would be. I'm going to start out, I'm going to show you these fun bench pillows that I've got up here up top first. But look right there, I could put, that would work right there inside of that block. Isn't that so fun?
That's really cute. Mm-hmm.
So cute. All right, so let's talk a little bit about the bench pillows. This is such a fun concept. I love this concept. You can make any flag. I'm going to show you this in a minute because it's my favorite. You could build your own neighborhood, meaning, look at this. I love to go camping. Camping's coming right around the corner for us, and you can pick some accent blocks. You can pick whatever blocks you want to add in. This one would be all campers, I think, for every camper that I've owned. And I could even label my favorite places to go camping or favorite memories of camping spots. And then what a fun phrase, Home is wherever we are together. Super fun. We've got lots more, so I'm going to set this to the side. This is the one I was excited to show you. We just finished this one. But what a fun idea. One for every season, guys. One for every season. Look at this. This is a Christmas one. Check out those cute Christmas trees. And look at the fun homes. These are different homes. You could even put different homes you lived in at different Christmas times. And you can switch these bench pillows out. You can make as many as you want because there's so many endless possibilities. Isn't that so cute? I'm going to show you another one that has a different look to it. This would just be a fun one for any place you've ever lived if you wanted to. Home is where you fall in love. And there's just so many fun things. Look at this one, has a tire swing, and you can see different houses have been switched out. This is so fun. It's got the French flowers. Isn't that so cute? And this is more of an everyday. You could keep out all the time if you wanted to. And this is sure to win your heart over. If you've gone and seen our Make Yourself at Home videos, which we can send a link to these videos that attached to this Facebook Live.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just making sure that
Yeah, we can do that.
we can do that. Okay.
Yeah.
And this is wonderful. Home is where the military sends us. What a fun. And it's all red, white, and blues. So, so patriotic. I love this pillow, and I love, you can see the flags. And I know a lot of those families out there move around a lot when they're in the military. What a fun way to share your different homes or make your homes look like the ones that you've lived in, and you can personalize it just for you. So I hope that you have fun. I'd love to see anyone out there that's already made bench pillows. Please, we'd love to see that. We'd love to see what you've made and share. This is just a fun way to celebrate any kind of home that you've lived in or place that you've traveled. Thank you so much, and we will see you next week. Bye-bye.